this guy behind me doing? Flashing his brights at me. Get up behind him, get him to race, and kind of just get the feel for like the car's suspension and steering and all that. That guy did not want me in front of him. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Jaywhips. We're back with another video. I wanted to try something new for you guys. I haven't posted in a while. I understand that. Well, it hasn't been too long, like 10 days, something like that. It's kind of a normal gap for my videos. But I'm trying something new today. I don't usually film at nighttime because you can't really see much. But in the last video, when I went to the city, I had some nighttime driving at the end, and I edited the footage a little bit, and it looked a little bit better. So I'm gonna try doing a nighttime cut-up video for you guys right now, and we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully you guys enjoy. So, as per usual, I'm filming this on my GoPro Hero 10 that I always film my videos on. But the only thing is, I've heard, I don't know if it's true or not, but from what I understand, apparently the GoPro Hero 12 is a little bit better at nighttime. But I don't know if that's a setting thing or if that's just the camera. If anybody knows, you know, is one of those people who knows things about filming, and you know that there's some sort of setting I can change on my GoPro that would make it film better at nighttime, let me know. I've watched some videos, but like this one guy wanted me to drop the video frame rate down to 29 or 24 frames per second. I was like, I'm not gonna do that, even if it's, I'd rather bad quality with 60 FPS than great quality in 20 FPS. I don't know, that's just me. Ooh, that was a big pop. Bro, what? Damn, bro, up at 3,500, 4,000 RPMs. Thing's letting off gunshots. Yeah, it's always nice. When you have a wall next to you, it's even better when it's a taller wall. Or a turbo, even better when it's a tunnel. Alright, we can close the windows because we're away from the wall now. It just sucks. I really wish I could have my windows open and listen to the car at high RPMs without wind blasting me. Because like, I can drive slow. If I go on like a side street or something, I can go, you know, low RPMs, go 20, 30 miles an hour and hear the car with the windows open with no wind. But that's not really how the car sounds. Uh-oh. As you guys know, the car sounds its best when it's up there in the RPMs. Which is why just now when I was next to that wall, I was hitting it up at like 4,000 RPMs and it was popping off AK shots. This turn's a lot of fun to come in with some speed. I want to do like a Bear Mountain run again. I love when I get the chance to push this car. You know, even horsepower and agility, you can't really push this thing to its limits on Long Island. Horsepower mainly because, like I said in the last video, there's not really enough area, enough straightaway anywhere on Long Island for you to really use all of the car's horsepower. But there's also not anywhere for you to, well, there's probably a couple windy roads that you can go down and kind of just get the feel for like the car's suspension and steering and all that. That guy did not want me in front of him. It's insane how fast my gas goes down when I'm in Sport Plus mode, like kicking it. So the other day, for those of you who wonder about the reliability of this car, or I guess reliability or efficiency would be the word. Oh, I got a buddy from work calling me. I'm gonna have to call him back. This is the second time that I've had, well, first time it was my boss. This is just a coworker and my friend. But like I was saying, the car itself, when you're, I guess it's because, and I'm not gonna lie, I think the work that I did to it, the intakes and the downpipes, letting the air free flow through the engine more, I think that allows the turbos to do a little bit more of the work. And I say that to say this, when I'm in efficiency mode, anytime I'm coming around this turn, sorry about my ADHD, but I'm just popping off coming around this turn. But anytime I'm in like efficiency mode, and I just cruise, like I'm going slower than everybody else. I like to sometimes just be that car in the middle lane that everybody has to go around. When I'm doing that, I've literally, oh man, I lost traction coming out of that. I've literally watched my gas go up. Like, I got in my car, and like, for example, this morning, I was, or not this morning, the other morning on my way to work, I was really low on gas. And when I went into work, when I got in my car, it said 32 miles. And then I put it in efficiency mode, drove super slow. I was like halfway through the trip, I looked down and it said 34. I was like, how the hell did I get more miles? But at the same time, when this thing's in Sports Plus mode, I don't know if you guys noticed, around the first thing I did right before I started this video, I got gas. And I only put a certain amount in here because I drive my truck, I go back and forth, so I never really fill the tanks up. I usually put just enough in there for a couple days and then I'll switch vehicles. I don't know why I do that, but whatever. I had about 150 miles of gas in this when I got in it. And now we're here and I'm already at 119. We're like 10 minutes into the trip just because I did a couple pulls and let the car pop off against the wall. But Sports Plus mode is a huge difference with gas when you got the work done to it. You know, because to a certain extent, I know if the air is going through and the turbos are doing some of the work, it's good when you're not going crazy. But when you're going fast, the turbos are making the engine work harder, so then it's using even more gas. I could be totally wrong about that, but that's my theory on it. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. But that's why I'm not a mechanic. I just drive the cars, not fix them. Woo. That intake sound can never get old. This is weak, man. I got no cars in front of this Toyota van here, and I think he's doing it on purpose. He's like driving right next to this Nissan so that I can't get in. And then even when I do get the gap, this Maxima right here keeps speeding up. So it's like they don't want to let me through. Well, that was pretty much traffic for that entire road, but that's okay now, because this road is usually the road where things get good. What are these people doing? Pick a side. It's actually not too bad for cutting up traffic. Could be a little bit more dense. Server's a little light today. I should shut this off. I always forget. I really shouldn't have that on, but it is what it is. You guys can see it down there anyway, so it's not like it matters. right, we're getting some good cuts in. Like I said, I wish it was a little bit more dense. But this works. There's a cop right there. I don't know if you guys saw that Christmas tree that was lit up. Oh, there's a trooper in front of me too. So there was a cop sitting at the Christmas tree, and I took off thinking, because I was going fast when I passed him. So I just got on it just in case he came out, and now I have one in front of me, so I don't know what to do. I'm gonna probably just go around the one in front of me, I'm not gonna lie. Everybody's afraid of the cop. I'm not. All right, I'm a little bit. Because as soon as I hit the gas just now and ripped it, he hit the brakes. Only a little bit though. I'm not the person on the road who's afraid to pass him. If he's driving slow, he's driving slow. I kind of wanted him to stay in the middle so I can make the cut around him. Get up behind him, get him to race. All right, well that's our exit, so I can get away from him at least. Get the windows down so we can hear some things. Well, the cop that was hanging out by the Christmas tree, that might not have even been a cop. Hold on. Wow, dude. Bro, I fucking love this thing, man. But that car that was sitting by the Christmas tree might not have even been a cop. I'm pretty sure it was, but he didn't seem to have a reaction when I went past him doing 100 plus, so maybe not. Have the windows open for the pops. What's this guy behind me doing? Flashing his brights at me? That's what happened. Alright guys, well, I know this was kind of a short video. I apologize for that, but I haven't posted in a while. I wanted to get something out for you guys. I hope this video even came out good. I'm going to sit down and edit it, and hopefully the nighttime footage will still be good. I don't know how it's going to look, so if I got to sit there and teeter with it, I will. I'll sit there and screw with the exposure and the brightness. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of me cutting up at nighttime. If you did, drop a like, sub up for future content, and it's your boy, Jaywhips. Hit me up on Instagram, you already know, Jaywhip_FO6, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
And that's just me for you. I've been moving, I've been drinking, I've been riding through the hood. I've been waving hands in one hand like my nigga was broke up. I've been all about the big, but I won't take the big. Step to me, I wish a nigga would.